Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect to a wireless display on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely powered on and loaded up. Give it a moment to fully boot and reach the desktop before proceeding with any settings. This ensures all your system drivers and wireless capabilities are active and ready to detect external displays. Once your PC is ready to go, you'll want to access your settings menu. Look down at your taskbar and locate the Start menu, which is represented by the Windows icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. From there, type in Settings using your keyboard, then press Enter. This will launch the System Settings window where you can configure all your computer's main features. When the Settings window opens, you'll see several categories displayed. Look for and click on System. This section houses important settings related to your display, sounds, notifications, and power management. It's essentially the control center for how your computer interacts with hardware and peripherals, making it the perfect place to manage wireless display connections. After clicking on System, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll find a list of different system options here. Look for Display Settings and click on it. This section controls everything related to your screen configuration, including resolution, brightness, and importantly, multiple display options which you'll need for wireless connectivity. Now scroll down within the display settings until you locate the Multiple Display section. This is where Windows 11 allows you to configure additional screens, whether they're wired or wireless. If you have a wireless display device available and powered on nearby, you should see a Detect button within this section. Click on Detect and Windows will begin searching for available wireless displays in your vicinity. The system will automatically scan for compatible devices and establish a connection once it finds your wireless display. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your wireless display connection on Windows 11, giving you the flexibility to extend or mirror your screen wirelessly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.